Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Ikra and I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic discuss. So we are going to explore an important topic, drawing a line chart in Python. This tutorial focus one of the most common type of Matplotlib plots, the line plot. Line plots are excellent at showcasing trend and fluctuation in data over time, connecting the dots literally to paint our vivid picture. This tutorial starts with the basic of creating a simple line plot and then moves on to more advanced techniques such as adding statistical information to plots. Step by step, drawing a line chart in Python. Let's see. Drawing a line chart in Python can be done easily using libraries such as Matplotlib and Seeble. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you create a line chart. Matplotlib is a data visualization library in Python. The pyplot is a library. Sub-library of Matplotlib is a collection of functions that help to creating a variety of chart. Line chart are used to represent a relationship between two data x and y on a different axis. In this Python line chart in Matplotlib, First step is the import library. First, you need to import all necessary library. Matplotlib is a primary library for creating chart and lines. A library is a collection of functions that can be added to your Python code and called as necessary, just like any other function. Install library uses pip. Write the following using import properly will make you more productive, allowing you to reuse code while keeping your project maintainable. Our Matplotlib is installed. We must import it with other required libraries such as NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is a library for working with arrays, while Pandas is for data manipulations and analysis. To import this library, simply type the following code. And second, creating a load data. For this example, let's create some example. You can replace this with your data actual. Python can be used to read data from a variety of places, including database and files. Two files types that are often used are .txt and CSV. You can import and export file using built-in Python functionality or Python CSV library. We will go through both options. While the option data and creating a sample data method can read and write to both .txt and .csv file, you can use Python CSV library to read from write CSV file. This library gives you extraction file function we will be used to dataset containing the daily prices of any dataset. The dataset includes 5 columns, any year sale. This is dataset. After loading the dataset, we will do some basic data pre-processing, such as renaming the columns, converting the datetime variable, and sorting the data in the ascending order of the data. Here's the code for the above. Now that we have set up the environment and loaded the data set, we can move one of the creating line plots using Matplotlib. And third, plot the line chart using Matplotlib. We will start by creating a basic line plot and then customize the line plot to make it look more presentable and informative. Using plt.plot to create a line plot. This is function plt.plot. To create a line plot, we will use the function. This function takes two parameters, x-axis values and y-axis values. In our cases, the data column will be our x-axis values, with a closed column will be yours. You see the y-axis value there is code. Plot the line chart using Seaborn. Seaborn can be used to create a more attractive line. Seaborn is a Python code visualization library based on Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive, informative statistical graphics. For a brief introduction to the ideas behind the library, we can see in the above output. See the code. that there is no label on the x-axis and y-axis since plot the line chart using C-bones. PLT figure size show, column size show, any data show, CNC line plot x is equal to years in the dataset and y is equal to cells. Data is equal to df data frame and should work. We can see the above output image that there is no label on the x-axis and y-axis since labeling is necessary for understanding the chart dimensions. And then, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content on the data science. Until next time, take care.